Starshipit's address validation tool autocorrects errors in the customer's address according to shipping constraints. In this tutorial, we'll run through how to validate addresses with one click. To auto-validate addresses, go to the order screen and click the Invalid Only toggle to filter the invalid orders. Once you see a list of the invalid orders, click Autocorrect. This will return a list of the changes that need to be made so that you can print the orders. To make these changes, click Save and you're good to go. To manually validate addresses, simply go to the order screen and identify the invalid address in the address status column. Click the customer's name or order number to open the order. Manually update the address and click Refresh to validate it. Be sure to click Save to save your changes. Visit our support centre for more helpful tips and tutorials.